Hello everyone, my name is Olivier Ormson. Welcome to the virtual barn theatre. I did that myself. I'm wearing a hat because I have terrible lockdown hair, so hiding it very well. I do hope you're enjoying the concert. I'm next, surprise. I'm going to be singing Snowstorm by, obviously, the wonderful Finn Anderson. I do hope you enjoy. Here we go. I woke up to a snowstorm. I was gonna take myself outside. I was gonna run between the streets with my best summer clothes on. But I woke up to a snowstorm. I woke up with a sore head. I was gonna shout the whole house down. I was gonna shout with all my might so all the town would hear me. But I woke up with a damn sore head. I woke up here without you. I was gonna kiss you everywhere. I was gonna go from head to toe and back again and then some. But I woke up here without you. What's the use in making plans? Certainty, the greatest of man's illusions. You can plan ahead, but the winter interferes, and you wake up to a snowstorm. I woke up to a snowstorm. I was gonna take myself outside. I was gonna run between the streets with my best summer clothes on. But I woke up to a snowstorm.